That's a warm-up. That's a test run for that new frame. It's wonderful to be tested by God. We live by vision, although God's too big for us to envision all that God can do. So we can't take a snapshot of what God has for us and say, this is it. If God, we can only share what God has revealed and something that we can express. That would make sense, because not everything God does is expressible in a sensible manner to other people, only to us. And it's done that way. So God puts limitation. One of the things that he wants us to be telling about. Thank you. From Hogg Dungeons, where we train and prepare ourselves for God, to be accepted unto God, and to use those blessings on earth to live better for God. Thank you from Hogg Dungeons. All right.